It's embarrassing to us to have lost that contract. It is not something we plan or something we like to do, but the message in the business is that's not the end of Air France. As you know, the tonnage business is very important from an integration point of view, but it's relatively small if you look at the numbers. So certainly from a planning point of view for the rest of the business going forward after that contract expires, it is not all that negative as it might be perceived sometimes. So just the feedback I want to give you is with the Highveld contract being lost, we're certainly not proud of that, but that is not the end of the organisation. Our bulk business and the cylinder business will continue as normal, and the normal demand planning going forward. As we run out of capacity, we will look at where we will create more capacity for the future. So it does not mean the end of our cylinder business or our bulk business.